How many times have you said, "Beta, बस थोड़ी देर पढ़ लो, phone बाद में देख लेना," but still your child doesn't listen? How many times do you see that your child is distracted, irritated, or careless about studies while you are doing everything possible? Best school, best tuitions, best books, and yet results are not improving. As a parent, it really hurts because you want your child to be disciplined, focused, and confident, but instead you see them wasting time on screens. The problem is not in your child's intelligence. The real gap is in their habits and life skills, because these things school and tuitions rarely teach. And unless we fix this today, their potential will remain hidden. But the good news is habits are not permanent. They can be changed easily step by step. Hi, I am Nitin Aggrawal, Science Career Coach, Life Skill Educator and co-founder of Tuning Lives. In this video, I will show you how small daily habits can change your child's life forever. We will cover parent struggles, how parents can build good habits using 4 golden rules, science behind why this golden rule works, real life examples, actionable plan and expected outcome of these habits. Let's start with parent struggle. Every parent faces this struggle. My child is always on the phone. I try to reduce screen time, but they don't listen. Unless I sit with them again and again, they don't study seriously. The moment study feels tough, they give up saying, "Oh, it's boring." Now imagine, what if these struggles could be solved with just 2 minutes tiny habits? Habits so simple that they make study automatic, fun and stress-free. Let's see how parents can help their child to build good habits. Habits are like tiny seeds. If you plant the right seeds daily, your child grows into a strong, successful tree. But if wrong seeds are planted, weeds will destroy the garden. And remember, your child's future is hidden in their daily small habits. Let's talk about the golden rules to develop these tiny daily habits. Rule 1. Make it obvious. That means clarity and visibility of habit. Children forget easily, but if the habit is visible, it becomes automatic. For example, keep the study books on the desk and not inside the bag. Similarly, fix a daily routine chart for the child. And if you do so, what will be the results? Your child remembers to study without you reminding them again and again. Rule 2. Make it attractive. That means fun and motivation. Children avoid boring tasks, so try to make study fun. And how you can do that? Use colorful pens, sticky notes, or gamify study with points and stars. Or you can apply 25-minute focus plus 5-minute fun rule. That means breaking the study in blocks and enjoy the break after that. And what will be the result? Your child will look forward to study instead of avoiding it. Rule 3. Make it easy. That means small steps and no pressure. Big tasks overwhelm children, so break them into small tiny steps. For example, start with 2 minutes, just 1 page, or 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Remove friction, that means keep the desk clean, pencils sharpened and timetable ready so that your child is able to start working directly. Instead of study for 2 hours, say just read 1 page. And you know what will be the results? If you do so, your child will not procrastinate. Consistency becomes natural. And rule 4, make it satisfying. That means celebrate small wins. Children repeat what feels rewarding. For example, use a habit tracker with stickers or tick marks. Give instant appreciation to your child whenever he or she does a good work. For example, "Wow, you studied without reminders. I am proud of you." And for small rewards, you can allow them to have extra playtime, bedtime story, favorite snack, whatever they like. And what will be the result of it? Your child will feel motivated, confident, and builds a strong identity of success. Now let's see why this golden rule works. What is the science behind it? First, identity habits. It means long-term success. Habits shape identity. For example, don't just chase marks, instead shape your child's identity. So what you can say? You are the type of students who learns daily. Now why this works? Psychology shows that our brain wants to stay consistent with the identity we believe about ourselves. If a child starts seeing themselves as a learner, Instead of someone who has to study, their brain automatically pushes them to act in alignment with that identity. Habits shape identity and identity sustains habits. This creates discipline, focus and independence. Point 2. Why results feel slow? Progress feels invisible at first. Every small step, every small effort adds up silently and then suddenly breakthrough happens. So don't give up. Consistency always gives results. And science calls this the plateau of latent potential, which means where efforts compounds quietly in the background. So when parents feel their child's habits are not showing results, remember the breakthrough happens suddenly after consistency. Let's see what are the real life examples. Now greatness is not luck, it's built on daily habits. For example, Virat Kohli, not just talent, it's his daily fitness habits that made him one of the world's top cricketers. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, it wasn't just brilliance, it was his habit of daily reading and constant questioning that made him the missile man of India. Leonardo da Vinci, the genius didn't come overnight. He built it by mixing study styles every single day, drawing, experimenting, observing, until he became both a legendary artist and a scientist. So the science is very clear. Small habits repeated daily compound into extraordinary results. And the same power lies in your child's daily routine. It means small habits today leads to big success tomorrow. Now I am going to give you an actionable plan to implement it for your child. And here is how you can start today, a very simple routine. Morning routine before going to school. The identity is, I am the kind of student who starts the day right. What your child have to do? Drink 1 glass of water after waking up and say one positive line, one affirmation that I will do my best today. During school hours, the identity should be, I am the kind of student who learns with focus. So, ask one question in the class daily and participate in one class activity or sport. What will be the evening routine after school? The identity of your child should be, I am the kind of student who improves daily. So, complete homework before playtime and revise key points once and help in one small task at home like folding your clothes, setting the table. And finally, night routine, that means just before going to bed. Your identity should be, I am the kind of student who reflects daily. So what you have to do? Write one good thing from today. That means आज दिन भर जो भी अच्छा हुआ उसमें से सबसे अच्छा जो आपको लगा उसको नोट करना है, उसको याद करना है. एंड सेकेंड, टिक ऑफ डेली स्टडी हैबिट्स इन हैबिट ट्रैकर. एंश्योर कि आप अपने हैबिट ट्रैकर में अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज को टिक कर रहे हैं. नाउ इफ योर चाइल्ड कीप्स ऑन डूइंग दिस एटलीस्ट फॉर 7 days, you can expect following outcome of this habit. First, less nagging, that means your child will be self-driven. Second, better grades, because the brain learns faster in small bits. Third, improved focus. Dopamine rewards keep them motivated and stick to routines. And finally, emotional balance. Your child will feel supported and not pressurized. Dear parents, if you teach these atomic habits to your child in the early stage of their life, you are not just helping them to score better today, but you are wiring their brain for a lifetime of success tomorrow. So parents, remember, it's not about forcing your child to study, it's more about shaping habits that make study automatic, fun and satisfying. Your child does not need more tuitions, but they need better habits. Because habits build identity and identity shapes destiny. Comment below, I will help my child to build good habits, and share this video with parents who want their kids to grow with focus, discipline and success. Because success needs more than just marks, it needs the right habits. See you in the next life skill adventure. Thank you.